Is it time to buy or sell Affirm Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore Affirm Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Affirm Holdings as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 57.83% since we initially designated Affirm Holdings as a buy candidate 65 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.89% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of 36.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 27.77% and 44.20%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 28.97%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 28.98% to positive 48.36% over the next year. This analysis implies that the future price could fall somewhere between $56.81 and $118.67. Our latest daily update for Affirm Holdings includes the headline, Affirm Holdings stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Affirm Holdings stock price gained approximately 3.09% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. The price rose from $77.59 to $79.99. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.91%, with a day low at $78 and a day high of $81.05. Overall, there has been a 3.86% increase over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total to 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1 billion and $10 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $82.53, while the lowest price was $30.90. Currently, the price is 3.08%, or $2.54 below the 52-week high and 54.72%, or $96.66 below the all-time high on the 8th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $176.65. Affirm has reported a profit in its fiscal fourth quarter, surpassing expectations for both earnings and revenue. This success has been driven by consumers opting for its 0% annual percentage rate loans and promotional offers. Management has provided guidance for fiscal 2026 gross merchandise volume that slightly exceeds market forecasts, despite ongoing uncertainties related to Walmart. The market reacted positively, resulting in a significant rally that pushed the stock back toward the mid-$70 to $80 range, following a considerable recovery from lows near $30 back in April. In the short term, the positive earnings report and guidance serve as clear catalysts for continued momentum. This is likely to increase investor risk appetite and could lead to potential expansion of valuations as sentiment shifts from a focus solely on growth to a combination of growth and profitability. However, it is important to note that near-term volatility may continue due to factors such as merchant concentration, exposure to Walmart, and rising competition from larger payment processors with stronger cash flow. Looking at the long term, consistent growth in gross merchandise volume, repeat usage of interest-free offers, and sustainable improvements in profit margins would justify a higher valuation. Nevertheless, Achieving long-term growth will rely on effective management of debt levels, successfully competing against rivals, and demonstrating consistent profitability beyond a single quarter. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AFRM a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned AFRM an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned AFRM a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AFRM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AFRM an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Affirm Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Affirm Holdings. The Affirm Holdings stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average sits above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $77.13 and $72.07. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 9.61%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 17 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 55 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Affirm Holdings. Affirm Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $77.95. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.05 between its high and low points, representing a movement of 3.91%. In the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 4.46%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Affirm Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face down periods due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at 11 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Affirm Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Affirm Holdings encounters its first support level at $77.95. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Affirm Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Robert O'Hare, who bought and sold 67,426 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 31.308. In total, insiders purchased 681,877 shares and sold 1,308,797 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $77.03, representing a decrease of 3.7%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal present from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is Affirm Holdings stock a good buy? Affirm Holdings exhibits several positive signals and is currently following a strong upward trend. As the saying, we remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.